The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Happy Saturday. Ave Maria. It's a Saturday dedicated to our Blessed Mother. In our Gospel, the relatives of Jesus thought that he was out of his mind because of his busy preaching. He even forgot how to eat. And so it's just a normal thing for everyone who loves to think that their loved one might be out of his mind. And in fact, probably the relatives of Jesus knew that Jesus Christ was already under the radar of his enemies of the Roman Empire and of the scribes and Pharisees. Whether the relatives of Jesus Christ thought that he was out of his mind, out of their love, so that he can be given the chance to rest, or they really do not understand what he was doing. The point is, we are all to be taken as fool for Christ. People who do not follow God will never understand the way we love, the way we serve, and the way we give our life to our God, to our Lord Jesus Christ. Because the call of Jesus Christ is always radical. It is always beyond the natural ways of life. Especially for us priests. Imagine, we don't have a family of our own, we do not marry, and that's actually beyond normal. Imagine Jesus asked all of us to leave our family. He even asked that we need to forgive 70 times, 7 times. He even said that we have to love our enemies. That is why, for an ordinary person, that is out of mind. And so, Jesus Christ is reminding all of us, in serving the Lord, people may think we are out of our mind, but those are merely distractions. Let us focus on the more important thing, and that is making God known through the witnessing that we do in our own life. God bless.